Hey. So today I'm talking to you about the Take Me On Vacay. Please take me away. Somebody take me away, like Calgon. The Take Me Away or Take Me On Vacay, my best hair kit. So the Take Me On Vacay print is the pineapple print. It's yellow with like pink, like a baby pink, and like fuchsia pineapples. It is reversible and double line, and it is help reduce frizz, minimize breakage, reduce knots, tangles, just so you don't wake up with bed head in the morning. So this is the inside. It is fuchsia on the inside. And it does come with the option to have a drawstring. Some people like the regular standard elastic band, and some people prefer the drawstring. So this is the drawstring. It is adjustable, so you can, loosen it or tighten it however you want, whatever your preference is. Some people don't like that it has a little, thing in there. Some people love it. It's totally preference. So this is the Take Me On Vacay. It does come with a fuchsia scarf. The fuchsia is definitely a vibe. Fuchsia. It's definitely the fuchsia color at NPTressTreats is the most popular solid color because it is so beautiful. I can't even it's gorgeous. So again, this is the Take Me On Vacay, my best hair kit. You can use your scarf to cover your pillow. You can use it to cover the headrest when you're driving. You can wear so many scarf styles. You can wear it around your neck. The options are endless with the scarf. And again, this is the bonnet. It is available in 3 sizes, and that's going to be the 3 adult sizes. So that's regular, medium, and BAB. And it is exclusively available at NPTressTreats.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to know about what is the newest and latest drop at NPTressTreats. Oh, and of course, I forgot to show you. It comes with a medium scrunchie. So thank you so much for watching. Love ya.